Let's see how the HardCopy function works. It is used to create screenshots or capture the area around a window. The function has a wizard, so it will be very easy to use. Click the wizard button. We select the place and name of the screenshot. We will also check the timestamp checkbox. This will add the current date and hour at the end of the file name. And paste it into the script. Let's use the wizard again, but this time for an active window. We choose the path and name of the screenshot. And we will only use 2 colors to save storage space. Paste it into the script. Now we will insert a wait structure so the automation will wait until we open a window. We will choose this text file for this demo. And use SPY to identify it. Paste it into the script. Let's run the automation and see the result. And this is it. Thank you for watching.